Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.4 question number 4 part 3. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Today I want to describe about polynomial because polynomial is new for you. So you can ask question to me, what is polynomial? Polynomial is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. Form of polynomial is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about type of polynomial. Polynomial are two types. First, term based polynomial. Second, degree based polynomial. Term based polynomial are many, namely constant polynomial, zero polynomial, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Term based polynomial is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about degree based polynomial. Degree based polynomial are many, namely linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial has 1 0, means one answer. Its form is ax plus b equal to 0. Next, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Its form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It has 2 zeros, means 2 answers. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Its form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. It has 3 zeros, means 3 answers. Next, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 or more than 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Its form is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus a equal to 0. It has 4 or more than 4 zeros, means 4 or more than 4 answers. Degree based polynomial is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe how you can solve your questions. Means how you can factorize your given polynomial. You can solve given polynomial by two methods. First, remainder theorem. Second, factor theorem. It is clear. We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. Here px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient and rx is remainder. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily. It is very easy. Firstly, you split the middle term. Firstly, you split the middle term and then make two pair. In this way, you can solve your question very easily. It is very easy. Clear? Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Do not forget like, subscribe and share it in your friends. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, see the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.4 question 4 factorize part 3rd 6x square plus 5x minus 6. It is given polynomial. Solution: 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is given polynomial. You factorize it. Firstly, you split middle term. Here middle term is plus 5x. It is clear? Then make 2 pair, and in this way you can solve it very easily. Clear? Here 6 before x square. Hence you multiply 6 and 6. It becomes 36. Here 6 multiply 6 equal to 36. Now you factorize 36. 36 divided by 2. You find 18. 18 divided by 2 you find 9. 9 divided by 3 you find 3. 3 divided by 3 you find 1. 1 divided by 1 you find 1. It is factor of 36. Clear? Factor of 36. Clear? No confusion about it. It is very easy. Clear? Here 36 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. It is factor of 36. Now you make 2 pair of factors. Now you make 2 pair of factors. Here 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 is first pair. 3 multiply 3 is second pair. If you multiply 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 4 and 3 multiply 3 9. It becomes 9 4 ja 36. Here 36. Clear? Now you subtract 3 3 ja 9 and 2 2 ja 4. You find 5. Here 5 middle term. It means your process is correct. Clear? You can write it as Px equal to 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Here you can write it as. Now you make 2 pair. Now you make 2 pair here. Plus 9x minus 4x become 5x middle term. It means your process is right. Clear? Here you take LCM in first pair. Clear? You can take 3x. Here you take 3x common. Clear? Here you can write 2x. Here 6x square. 3x multiply 2x become 3 2 ja 6x square. It means it is right. Clear? Here plus. Here 9x. So you can write here 3. 3x multiply 3. It become 9x. It means it is correct. Clear? Now you take LCM of second pair. You can take 2. Here 4x, here 2. It means here you can write 2x. Here 3 plus 3. If you multiply minus 2 and 2x, it becomes minus 4x. Clear? It means it is right. If you multiply minus 2 and plus 3, it becomes minus 6. It means it is right. Your process is right. Clear? Here in first brackets and in second brackets 2x plus 3 2x plus 3 both are same. It means your process is correct. Clear? It is very easy. Now you can write it as 2x plus 3 in first brackets, 3x minus 2 in second brackets. It is factor of 6x square plus 5x minus 6. You factorize very easily. Hence 6x equal square plus 5x minus 6 equal to in first bracket 2x plus 3 in second bracket 3x minus 2. Your answer. You solve your question very easily. You find the factor of 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is 2x plus 3 in first brackets, 3x minus 2 in second brackets. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy? Very good. In this way, you can factorize any polynomial and you can find the factor of any given polynomial very easily. Clear? It is easy? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Do not forget like, subscribe and share in your friends. Right? Very good. Okay.